Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're new, I want to say a special welcome to you. And in this video, let me show you how to remove websites from your LinkedIn profile. Now, if you've added a website to your profile, the steps is pretty much the same to actually go and remove it. But nevertheless, let me show you how to do that. So once you're inside LinkedIn, click your profile on the left hand side, upper left hand side, and that's going to take you over to your profile page. You will see your name and you will have an option that says contact info. You can actually reach contact info by simply clicking on this contact info button. You will see the website and you can click the pencil icon from here to actually edit it. Alternatively, if you click this pencil icon on the right hand side here, click on this one, it's going to take you through the steps just the same. At the bottom, you have contact info. You can actually edit it from here as well. So whichever way you choose to actually go, you can actually reach to the point where you can actually remove it. So let's go back there, click on edit. And if you scroll down, you'll have the website. And in order to remove the website, just simply click on remove and it's gone. Just click on save now. And that's all there is to it. Now, all I have to do is just simply refresh my LinkedIn profile or refresh the page, let's say. And if you go back and click on contact info, you will see that the website is now removed. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.